You guys have seen this camera online. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, but you want to see a non-tech person open it and let you know their first impressions? Keep watching. I like to say this at the top of my videos. This is not a sponsored post. I purchased this with my own money as an early 50th birthday present to myself. Let's get into the video. Let's cut into her. Definitely has a very Apple vibe. Okay. Manuals. Oh, that's actually really cute. Look. This wide angle lens, and that's the Black Mist Pro filter. And I know you guys are super busy, so I have timestamps in the description below. That's cool, you can snap them in right there. I assume this is what you put on, like as a protective mount. I did get the Creator Combo, which is about $150 more than the regular one. But first, we have to take her out. Well, I've been waiting for this thing to get here for like 2 weeks. Excuse me, sir. We're done with you. That's cute. Oh, okay, she comes with all the fixins. Oh my God, it's so cute. Stop rolling around. What are you doing, you little weirdo? Look, oh my God, it's so cute. And this would be a great time for me too. I was having trouble figuring out like how big was this thing. Canon DSLR type. Okay, so cute, it looks like a little robot. So just for size reference, 5.5 inches long, about 1 inch wide. And that is about as technical as we're gonna get in this review. What is this? What's this? Oh, you are so cute. Guys, this thing, I can't believe that this is like a camera. It's so damn tiny. Anyway, we'll come back to all that. I know basically what's supposed to be. This is the external mic. This was very, very important to me. I know that it does have good sound quality like on board, but I wanted something so that if I'm in louder conditions or maybe I'm away, like walking away from this, that I love that it has this external mic, which you can clip on. And I think there's also like a little magnetic mount, which hopefully we'll find. This is that little, I wish they would change the name of this, like little dead cat thing you're supposed to put over. You just like plug it in here like so. Oh, look at his little hat. Oh, you look like a little Russian guy with your little hat. Oh, you're so. This is supposed to dull the sounds of like the, you know, like a pop filter would, and also dull wind sound. Hold it in half like that, slide it through. I'm not gonna do it because I just like to take chances with my life. This case is so nice. Oh, there's more. We were done. It's like a little Russian nesting doll. There's just stuff that keeps coming out. Okay, let's see. Who are you? I'm assuming this is like one of the little screens. Definitely subscribe if you are considering one of these or you just bought one, because I have a ton of accessories that I bought and I'm gonna be reviewing them in the coming weeks as I unbox them and figure them out. All right, what are you? 0.75 15 millimeter. Y'all, I don't know what that means. I told you already, non-technical review. Well, yeah, they do give you like little instructions in case you're a ding dong like me and you don't know what these things are. I wonder if it, y'all stop it. Did you hear that? Let's do it again. She is magnetic. I want her to hold on tighter than a clingy boyfriend. All right, DJI, we're gonna be friends. We're gonna be friends. You're adorable. I guess that's a tripod, which, and y'all know, size matters. So it's 3 inches tall. For me, I don't know how often I would ever use this except for like as a handle. The one that I will use though, and I will link all this stuff down below, guys. This tripod that I have my lights on. And I love this because it's like a tabletop one, but it completely consults. So you can use it as like a monopod or as a tripod stand. So yeah, I'll just be putting it on here. Oh yeah, this is, I believe, the extender battery, so that if you're filming, which of course, why else are you buying this camera? Because you just had $700 that you didn't have anything else to do with. This is the extender battery, so say you're out. You can just plug this in, click. Oh cool, you just press that to release. Okay, so now that everything is out, you buy just the regular kit. This one right here, it just comes with this. Now the Creator Combo comes with all of this. But where's the little magnet that's supposedly, so it sticks on your shirt? Is it? Were you not in here, sir? This is the little magnet, so in case you don't wanna like clip it to your shirt, like that. So good Lord, that thing is on, come on now. Oh yeah, you gotta push it down to snap it into place. This is the external microphone. And by the way, guys, from what I've read, you can connect this to both your phone and your laptop like via Bluetooth if you want to use it just like as like a lavalier mic, which I don't know if that's true or not. I just read that. So let me know in the comments down below. This is just like a little extender handle to goes on like this. I think that's just to make it easier to hold on to, and press like that, I guess, to release. A battery pack extender, which also, by the way, has that standard mount down here. This, by the way, they both have that standard mount. I think it's called a 1/4 inch, you guys know. The thing that's on the top of the tripod that you normally swivel your camera onto. And then this is the charging cord, obviously, wrist strap, tripod. It does have an onboard mic. The sound coming out of just this is really good, but again, I bought it so that I have versatility there. I love this because it's important to me that I can film both vertical, like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever, and then it's the first time I've ever done it. And then also my YouTube videos this way in 4K and have it all be in one unit so I'm not toggling back and forth between multiple, you guys know, if you're creators, know what I'm talking about. Just walking down the hall because I want to see how stable it is. So far I'm impressed. I just want to see like how it looks so smooth. This is insane. Oh, hey, have a look at my bags. That is too cool for me. I wanted something that is smaller, right? So when I'm out in public and I'm recording, it's more discreet. I mean, guys, when you're standing there with this on a tripod, or even the one that I'm filming on right now, which is above me, which is the Sony ZV-1, I mean, still, it's pretty obvious. Whereas this, I'm not really sure I would know. So like if you're the kind of person who wants to get into YouTubing or vlogging, but you feel self-conscious, this is gonna be it right here. Look at this. Go to sleep for a second, little fella. It's so important to me not to have a separate, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll put a picture right here. You snap it on and then like it's following you and it does active tracking. Because what I cannot stand is with my current setup, to set it somewhere on a tripod and then try to stay in the frame. That is so frustrating. Whereas with this, wherever I set it, follow me no matter where I go. I love that the menu is touchscreen as opposed to, again, if you've ever touched a camera, you know, having to toggle through a menu, no. And if you're a little bit older, those menus are damn near impossible to see, whereas you can see the screen size here, pretty big and very well lit. I have multiple gimbals. If you've ever had the pleasure, and yes, I say that sarcastically, then you know what a pain in the, you know what it is. Try to put your camera on, weight and balance, and oh my God, please, no thank you. I would rather have dinner with my ex-husband. It's a total pain in the butt. This has a gimbal built in. Whether I'm filming vertical content or horizontal content, the gimbal is built in. I don't have to pop it on something else. It's built in, which means you don't have to stabilize the footage after the fact. That was one of the biggest reasons why I decided to invest in this. It's so tiny, guys. Like you could just throw this in a purse. I love this because I grabbed one of the smallest clutches that I have, and let's see. But you know, she's just gonna fit right in here. Yeah, I got makeup on the inside because I'm a real person. Look, boop. You can't even see it. Look, you can barely even see it. Hey, hey. All right, look, y'all, break it up. Incredible. Especially moving more towards UGC content, having something like this is gonna make capturing those more candid shots where it's like less thought about, it's gonna make that easier to incorporate this into my everyday life because there's no put it on a tripod position. It's just pick it up, grab it, and press record. Anything that you can do to make your content creation workflow easier is gonna make it so that you're gonna actually do it. I guess it doesn't come with a black mist filter. I did order one. It comes only with the wide angle lens, which, hey DJI, you could have thrown that in. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, I cannot believe this, that for this price point, it does not come with an SD card. Don't get caught without this. You'll get this thing, you won't have an SD card, you won't be able to do anything with it. I did a lot of research. This was the one that like all the super techie people, so not me, recommend right here. Again, I'll link it down below. This is the one. And I got 256 because I mean to film a lot with this. I'm not gonna get some baby card and then have to dump it all the time. Put that in. You can move the footage one of three ways. You can take the SD card out of here, put it in your laptop. That's option one. You can transfer it via Bluetooth from here to your cell phone, or you can use this cord, which is USB-C to USB-C, I believe it's called. I told y'all I was not technical. And you can connect it to either your phone or your laptop to move the footage. Here are a couple things. Like if I had a wish list, I wish it came with an SD card because I feel like I just wish it came with it. $150 difference means you get all of this other stuff, which for me, just the mic and the battery pack, absolutely worth it. I don't give a rip about this tripod. If you really mean to make content on the regular, you need a mic and you need a battery pack. Regular kit, just this. Fader combo, tripod. I'm sure this case comes with the regular kit. The wide angle lens, the external mic, the dead cat, the little magnetic clip, battery extender, and then the handle and the little cord. And then I don't know what you call this thing, but don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the accessories and hacks and everything that I'm figuring out as I move further into this UGC journey. Hope you guys found that video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.